What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna have this on my face because it's a mark on my windshield, so I'm sorry. But for today's video I decided that I was going to try the s'mores Frappuccino again. So if you guys don't know, a while back on my channel, I think it was like over a year ago, the s'mores Frappuccino came back. I had never tried it before and I tried it and I honestly don't remember my thoughts on it, but there's just so much hype around it that I want to try it again for you guys. I know if you've already seen my last one, skip this one, you don't have to watch it. But I want to try it again because I honestly don't remember if I loved it or not, but it sounds amazing and I want to try it again to see if I do like it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go try this freaking drink. So the line for Starbucks is literally where you pull into the parking center lot thing. It's literally wrapped, and I mean wrapped around the building plus. So we might be here for a hot second. I got ice cream in my car, so I have ice cream in my car, so like my ice cream might melt, but it's fine. We're just gonna sit in line, hope we don't freaking melt the ice cream and me, because it's freaking hot and I don't have AC in my car, like I said multiple times before. Love that for me. Hey, can I get a tall s'mores Frappuccino?
Yeah, why not?
Here we go. Oh. After like 15 to 20 minutes sitting in the line, I finally made it. And my ice cream is not surviving, but it'll be okay. Thank you. Awesome. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna freaking park. Dude, okay. Let's go this way. Okay. Okay guys, so we have the drink. If you cannot see, I'm sweating so much. My back is probably drenched and disgusting. But we have the drink, we finally got it. So I got a tall s'mores Frappuccino and it looks really, really good. The crumbles on top look amazing. So I can't wait to re-taste it and see if I liked it or not. I've tried so many drinks in the past that I honestly forget what a lot of them taste like after they're done, because I do so many taste testing videos. So it's crazy, so that's why I don't remember what this one tastes like, so that's why we're trying it today. So here we go. So it tastes a lot more like coffee than I remembered. I didn't remember there being this much coffee in it. S'mores don't have coffee. So my taste buds now are telling me that this literally tastes so much like coffee and not a s'more. Like I taste the chocolate from the bottom, but I'm not tasting anything else. Oh, whatever that was delicious. Okay, that specific sip tasted exactly like a s'more because I didn't taste any coffee in it. So with there being coffee in it, to me, it doesn't taste like a s'more because I don't put coffee in my s'mores. I don't think anybody puts coffee in their s'mores. So tasting it without the coffee, whatever side I just took, literally did not taste like coffee. It tasted like a s'more. But when I taste everything else and there's coffee involved, the coffee overpowers the s'more flavor. So there isn't much s'more to taste, which makes me really sad. So I would say, I don't know if you can ask for this without coffee in it, but to get the more s'more-y flavor or the s'more-like taste, I would recommend no coffee, because like I said, the coffee just overpowers it more than I remembered and more than I would like. So that's me spilling the tea. Just saying. So I would honestly give it probably a 7 out of 10 because it is good, but I just think the coffee knocks some points off of there because it does ruin it a little bit because you can't taste the s'more in certain sips. But other than that, it's not terrible. I really don't remember trying it the first time. But I for sure remember I don't think there was coffee. Who knows? But that's my review on this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me if you've had this. Of course, I think everybody's had it, but if you haven't, you should go try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Give this video a like, comment down below, video ideas in the future. I already said don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.